Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix a Nissan Sentra transmission, updated. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the battery. Drain the transmission fluid into a proper container, then inspect the pan for metal shavings. Check the transmission mount and cables for wear, and gather replacement filter and gasket parts. I will guide you step by step through removal, inspection, and basic repairs with clear tips. Begin by reproducing the issue to observe symptoms like slipping or delayed engagement. Check fluid level and color. Dark or burnt fluid signals internal wear. Scan for transmission codes to identify solenoid or sensor faults. Inspect linkage and mounts for binding that can mimic internal problems. With this diagnostic information, you can decide whether a fluid change, solenoid replacement, or deeper rebuild is required, and prepare parts and tools accordingly. After draining the fluid, remove the pan and filter to inspect for metal debris that indicates internal damage. Replace the filter and gasket, then reinstall the pan with proper torque. If codes point to solenoids, swap them following manufacturer guidance. Check and adjust shift linkage and replace worn mounts. Refill with the correct transmission, fluid amount and type, then road test to confirm the repair resolved the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.